Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that might seem simple, but it's actually one of the most underrated tools in any kitchen, a really good pair of scissors. And not just any scissors, we're talking about the All-Clad stainless steel kitchen scissors. If you know All-Clad, you already know they're famous for their premium cookware, pans, pots, and kitchen tools that chefs swear by. But how do their kitchen shears stack up? Are they worth the price? By the end of this video, we'll find out. We'll go over design and build quality, comfort and performance features that stand out, maintenance and durability pros and cons, and finally whether these are worth adding to your kitchen setup. Let's get into it. Before we even talk about these scissors, it's worth noting who makes them. All-Clad is a premium American cookware company known for their stainless steel construction and chef-grade durability. Their pots and pans are used in both home and professional kitchens across the world. So when All-Clad puts their name on a pair of kitchen shears, expectations are high. You're not just buying scissors, you're buying into decades of design and performance standards that the brand is known for. That's part of why these shears caught my attention. A lot of brands slap their logo on basic tools, but All-Clad tends to engineer every product down to the smallest detail. Let's start with the design. The All-Clad stainless steel kitchen scissors look and feel premium right out of the box. The entire body is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, with a sleek brushed finish that matches the aesthetic of All-Clad cookware. The blades are micro-serrated, meaning they grip whatever you're cutting, whether it's poultry, herbs, or packaging, without slipping. That small serration also helps prevent dulling over time, a common issue with smooth-bladed scissors. The handles are ergonomically shaped and feature a comfortable, soft grip lining. Even after long use, they don't dig into your hands, something I can't say for a lot of cheaper stainless scissors. Weight-wise, they're balanced perfectly. They're heavy enough to feel solid and precise, but not so heavy that they're tiring to use. All-Clad also added a built-in bottle opener and nutcracker function right in the handle. Little details that make these more than just scissors. Alright, let's talk about performance, because design only matters if it performs well in real kitchen situations. I tested these on a bunch of different materials to see how versatile they really are. 1. Raw poultry. They cut straight through chicken skin and small bones with very little resistance. The serrated edges really help grip slippery surfaces, and the tension feels strong but smooth. 2. Herbs and vegetables. They glide through herbs like parsley and basil cleanly. No bruising or tearing, just clean snips. 3. Food packaging. Cardboard, plastic bags, thick zip ties, no problem. They handle everything without flexing. 4. Seafood. If you've ever had to trim lobster shells or crab legs, you know how frustrating dull scissors can be. These shears make it almost effortless. The sharpness is excellent out of the box, and the tension is adjustable thanks to the screw pivot, so you can fine-tune it if they ever loosen over time. And here's something I love. The blades come apart easily for cleaning. You just open them past a certain point and they separate, making it easy to wash and dry thoroughly. That's a big plus for hygiene. One of the things that sets All-Clad apart is how easy their tools are to maintain. These scissors are dishwasher safe, but like all high-quality stainless tools, I recommend hand washing and drying them immediately to keep them looking perfect. Because the blades come apart, you don't get trapped food or moisture around the pivot area, which can happen with cheaper designs. If you want to keep them razor sharp, a few drops of light oil or a quick run over a honing steel can help maintain that edge over time. All-Clad also offers a limited lifetime warranty, which is reassuring. You're investing once for something that can last decades. So beyond cutting herbs and meat, how else can you use these scissors? Here are a few examples. Snipping bacon or chives right over a pan or plate, trimming pastry dough or parchment paper neatly, cutting pizza slices. Yes, it actually works better than a wheel sometimes. Opening tough packaging, especially vacuum-sealed bags, cracking nuts or shellfish using the built-in grip between the handles, opening bottles with the built-in opener. They're one of those tools that ends up living permanently on your countertop or magnet strip because you use them constantly. And for those who love to grill or prep meat, these are especially handy outdoors, cutting fat, trimming wings, and prepping food quickly without needing a cutting board every time. Pros: all stainless steel build, durable and elegant razor-sharp, micro-serrated blades comes apart for easy cleaning, comfortable soft grip handles. Multi-purpose, nutcracker and bottle opener included, dishwasher safe, lifetime warranty. Cons: price point is higher than generic shears, slightly heavier than plastic-handled options. If you prefer super lightweight tools, these might feel substantial, But honestly, those cons are minor compared to the quality you get. So, are the All-Clad stainless steel kitchen scissors worth it? If you're someone who appreciates premium kitchen tools that perform beautifully and last for years, absolutely yes. They're not just scissors, they're an extension of your cooking setup. They cut precisely, they're easy to clean, and they feel like something that could last a lifetime. For home cooks, these will elevate your prep game. And for professionals, they're dependable, ergonomic, and stylish enough to match any high-end kitchen. If you're tired of cheap scissors that dull quickly or rust after a few months, these are a smart upgrade. A link to All-Clad scissors will be in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching this review of the All-Clad stainless steel kitchen scissors. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below if you've tried these scissors or have another favorite pair you swear by. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth kitchen gear reviews, product tests, and cooking tips every week. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.